What's up, you guys? Welcome back to our channel, Our Life Journey. If you're new, welcome. My name is Patricia. In this video, I'll be making two things. One, you can use as a sauce, as condiment, and it's gonna be one of the main ingredients in today's meal, which is gonna be my spicy mayo. This is carnivore. This is boiled eggs, mustard. I'm gonna do a hot sauce. You can skip out on that if you want. And then some other ingredients. So I will be making the spicy mayo, and then I'm going to use that and add it to my tuna salad. I'm craving tuna salad today. So I'll be sharing with you guys a carnivore version of the tuna salad. I have made tuna patties and chicken patties, which those are amazing. So definitely check out that video. But today I want a tuna salad, just plain tuna salad. So I have some eggs boiling. I leave them for 9 minutes. I like the center to be a little bit more yolky. So 10 minutes, it's a little bit like half yolky and a little bit hard. And then 11 minutes, it's hard boiled. So I'm gonna leave 9 minutes, stick them in an ice bath, and then get ready to use my NutriBullet to blend everything up. So let's get to it. All right, let's get started. I'm gonna need 5 eggs. These 2 are gonna be from my husband for later. All right, we got all of the condiments. We've got paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and salt. We have the horseradish mustard. I'm gonna try this. I got apple cider vinegar and my hot sauce because I do want spicy mayo. And then I have my rendered pork belly fat that I made just last night. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna need 7 tablespoons of fat. Two tablespoons of any kind of hot sauce you want. Again, feel free to skip out on the hot sauce. 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar. And I'm using 1 tablespoon of the horseradish mustard, but feel free to use plain mustard or no mustard. Now we're gonna use 1 teaspoon of salt and all of the other seasonings. I'm actually gonna skip out on the black pepper since I have the hot sauce. So let's put on the lid and give it a blend. See how good the fat mixes in. If I might need some water, I'll put a little bit. So I am gonna need to put some water. Let's put maybe about 2 tablespoons. Oh yeah, this is super thick, you guys. All right, let's do it. Let's add 2 tablespoons of water and see if it blends better. All right, let's add 1 more tablespoon. All right, let's scrape her down and then we'll give her 1 last blend, but definitely it's coming out a lot smoother. Oh, so beautiful. Let's scrape this as well. All right, let's add it to the jar. Oh yes, came out so much smoother. Okay, I just realized I didn't give it a taste test. Let's do it. Oh, that came out so good. Oh yes, 100%. Oh, and it's got a kick. All right, scrape down all the sides. Here you have it, homemade spicy mayo. Now this is spicy. I love spicy, you guys. So let's get to the tuna salad. I can't wait. Now before I get to the tuna salad, I want to explain a little bit about the mayo. Now I have done this quite a few times and I feel like each time is a little bit different. You guys have to alter it to your liking. I had to add 3 tablespoons of water this time. Now the reason why it was a little bit thicker than the previous time, your eggs are different sizes. So if you got a smaller egg and then 2 large eggs, you know, so you have to kind of play around with it, blend it. If it's not blending well, add more fat or add more water. This time I added 3 tablespoons of water, which the flavor is so good. So that's why I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a, you know, why I had to alter it a little bit. But hey, this is life. Life happens and you alter to what happens in your surroundings. So spicy mayo. This is the tuna I'm going to be using. Safe Catch Ahi Wild Yellowfin Tuna. So I have actually not tried this before. So let's test it out today. Now let's break it up with our hands. I can tell you this one is actually more soft than the other tuna I've tried. Not bad on the texture. I'm gonna break it up into very small pieces. I'm gonna try not to leave any large chunks. All right, so let's add 1 tablespoon right now to see how well it mixes in. For 1 tablespoon, it actually mixed pretty well, but I want to add something else in here too. Can you guess? 1/2 cup of crushed up pork rinds. And I just crushed it with my hands. I don't want big pieces, but I don't want like ground pork rinds like panko. So yeah, let's mix everything in. I want some texture in this tuna salad. You know what? I am gonna add another tablespoon of mayo. I'm just eyeballing it, you guys. Have fun with your recipes. I know. It might not look so appetizing, but the reason why I put the pork rinds, not pork panko, pork rinds is because I'm gonna use my flatbread, which this is already soft. So I wanna do some kind of like texture. Now comes the taste test, okay? Oh yeah. The pork rinds makes a difference. Let me see if I can toast this in the air fryer. Hold on. Oh, okay. Ooh, but it is a little bit crispy. Okay, I'm gonna leave it a little bit longer. Oh, where on earth did you go? Oh, but it's nice and crispy. Okay. I think it's done. It's been 7 minutes. Nope, don't start. Whoops. All right, let's do a comparison. Here's the normal flatbread. And then this is the air fryer flatbread. Yeah, it definitely holds its shape. I've never air fried the flatbread, so let's give it a try now with the tuna. And I want to confess, I did want to try it with some avocado. And instead of putting the whole thing in there and just mixing and then tasting it, I did it before. I took a little bit of avocado and then the tuna. So yes, if you guys thought I was gonna put avocado, then you were correct. I want to be honest with you guys always. I never want to be misleading. So yes, I wanted to put the avocado, but then I thought, okay, pork rinds gives it a little texture and crunch. So, and then now with the flatbread, I like the flatbread. You can air fry your flatbread. I want to try it by itself though, so hold on. All right, let's give this a try. Wow. Flavor is enhanced for sure. Now, I just pulled out my cheese grater and my pepper jack cheese that I just bought from Fry's, and I want to add a 1/4 cup of cheese. I know I won't be able to finish all of this. It's a lot, you guys. It is very filling. So even if I eat half and add the 1/4 cup of cheese, I'm still not gonna have that full 1/4 cup of cheese per day, like how I did it in my rules. So again, modify it to your own liking, but I am gonna try it. Let me see what it's gonna be. I got my 1/4 cup ready. I got my little block of pepper jack cheese. I gotta fasten this. Oh, when it's hard to push down, you know that it's not budging. All right, let's get to grating. All right, to clean it up, all you gotta do is unfasten this. I got cheese all over me. Comes right out. Let's get the excess cheese off of it. Take it out. To take this off, push the button. Okay, these are going in the wash. All right, let's measure a 1/4 cup of cheese. All right, see? 1/4. All right, let's mix it in. Now this will be interesting with the cheese. That's good with the cheese. So you can see there's cheese, there is pork rind, you got the tuna. It is really, really good. By now the pork rind's actually softened up. So it's a different texture. Wow. That's really good. Here you have it, you guys. 2 simple things that you can make any day, every day. You got your spicy mayo. Feel free to take out the spice and just leave it plain mayo. And you got your tuna salad. Now this is fishy. All right, this brand, I'm gonna say, if you like the tuna flavor, you like fishy flavor, this tuna is definitely the one for you. If not, sorry, try to find a different tuna that doesn't taste like tuna or fishy. But I added the mayo, cheese, and pork rinds, which actually tasted pretty good together. The pork rinds did soften up a little bit towards the end, but again, it's a different texture. So if you guys are like good with texture, definitely give this a try. Play around. There's so many different versions of tuna salad, egg salad, chicken salad, so on and so forth. So have fun on your carnivore journey. You guys have any questions for me? Leave a comment down below. These recipes will be in my posts, okay? So my YouTube post, check out my recipes. Everything is written there, plus pictures. This will be there, this will be there, plus other recipes. But if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please go ahead and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. But till my next video, I love you all. God bless you. Have a beautiful and blessed day. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.